we will discuss chapter number 3, integration exercise 3.3, question number 1. And question we have, before going to start, I will explain to you that this exercise is based on substitution method. We have to substitute some value, or we have to suppose, right? So substitution method. This is the polynomial, right? So first of all, we have to see that this is the polynomial, or the function is available in the denominator, whether we have the derivative in the numerator or not, right? So here I will say, suppose y is equal to, this is called the substitute method, right? 4 minus x square without the power. Here the power or exponent is 1 by 2, because this under root is 1 by 2. You do not have to suppose, it is separate. Y is equal to 4 minus x square. So dy, what should be the derivative? It is 0 minus 2 this, right? How we will take the derivative? This is the coefficient, x power will reduce by 1. So dy is equal to minus 2x dx. So see in the numerator, minus 2x dx. So the derivative of the function is available in the numerator. Instead of minus 2x dx, I can write down dy, because this is equal to this dy, right? And then y, 4 minus x square, we have suppose is equal to y. So y and the 1 over 2, because this under root. Now in the next step, we will take this y minus 1 over 2 dy, because here the function is this and derivative is available here. So how we will solve it? It is very simple. 1 over 2 plus 1, and then you have to divide it by with the new power or the new exponent. It is 1 over 2 divided by 1 over 2 plus c. It is equal to 2y 1 over 2 plus c. Now we have to put the value of y. Y is 4 minus x square. So 4 minus x square, and this 1 over 2 represent this plus c. This is our answer. So right, this exercise is based on the substitute method. You have to see whether or not the derivative is available in the numerator of the function which is available in the denominator or not. Then we have to solve it, right? If you want to check whether your answer is right or wrong, you can check it by taking the derivative. This is not part of your question, but in your exam you can check it. How you will check it? I will show you for the one question, then you can do for the rest of the question. 4 minus x square plus c. Here we will take the derivative. This is 2. 2 will remain the same. D by dx. 4 minus x square. Instead of this under root, I can write down this, right? And then d by dx plus c. We have to take the derivative of this. So 2 1 over 2, because this power will come here, 4 minus x square, and then we have to take the derivative of this. Constant is 0, this 2 will cancel this. It is 4 minus x square. Sorry, here we have to subtract as well, because in derivative we have to subtract. It will be minus 1 over 2, and the derivative of this is minus 2x. So see, minus 2x we will take in the numerator, and this is minus 1 over 2, so 4 minus x square under root, which is exactly same what we had in the question, minus 2x divided by under root 4 minus x square. So if you want to check your answer in your exam, derivatives and integrations are opposite of each other. When you integrate, you have the final result. Take the derivative, it should be equal to your question. It means your answer is right. But if still any point is not clear, without any hesitation, you can ask me. Please subscribe to my channel Saima Academy, and thanks for watching.